In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or remove news and events on TradingView chart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to toggle economic events and news headlines on or off, so your chart shows only what you need when you need it. First, open your chart. This can be any symbol or time frame you are currently analyzing. The changes you make here are chart settings, so they'll apply to this chart layout. Next, open the settings. You can do this two ways. Right-click anywhere on the main chart area and choose Settings from the menu. Or click the small gear icon in the top right corner of the chart. Both options open the same settings window, so use whichever is faster for you. Inside the settings window, look to the left-hand sidebar and select the Events tab. This is where TradingView groups anything related to scheduled economic releases and on-chart news items, making it easy to manage what appears over your candles. Let's manage the events, which refer to the economic calendar items if you want to show them. Check the box for economic events. When this is enabled, you'll see small markers on your chart timeline indicating key releases like GDP, employment data, or central bank decisions such as FOMC meetings. If you prefer a cleaner chart or you already track these on a separate calendar, uncheck the economic events box to remove them. This instantly declutters the view while keeping your chart's price action front and center. Now, let's manage news, which covers headline updates. To display these, check the box for latest news, or in some interfaces, the option labeled News Update Notification on chart. Enabling this shows timely headline cues related to the asset you are viewing, helping you connect sudden price moves with breaking stories. If you don't want headlines on your chart, simply uncheck latest news and those notifications will disappear. This is a great way to minimize distractions during technical analysis. Once you've made your choices, click OK or Apply to save. Apply lets you preview the changes and continue adjusting, while OK saves and closes the window. If you close without applying, your changes may not stick, so it's a good habit to confirm before exiting. That's it. Thanks for watching.